Racing gas is started. We have Grand Homer break quickly at the start. Moving a party outside. I am strong. Prince of Dog. Royal Jewels is down on the inside. Speedmaker Barkadahan. Touch of Glory comes next. Tidal then on the outside is Matter of Honor, while Bayou Data is the early trailer by about 14 lengths of the leader. And as they swing down the back, we have Prince of Dog by about 4 lengths. Speedmaker in second. I am strong. Is racing in third. Down on the inside. Royal Jewels moving up on the outside. Now is Barkadahan. Then next online is Touch of Glory. Tidal, Matter of Honor, Grand Homer racing second less. While Bayou Data still racing in less. Back to the leader. We have Prince of Dog, Speedmaker moving up on the outside. Now is Barkadahan. In the middle portion is Touch of Glory. I am strong comes next. Down on the inside is Royal Jewels, then followed by Grand Homer. Then next online now is Tidal, Bayou Data, second last, while Matter of Honor now racing in last, and Diana entering the home stretch. The lead now belongs to Barkadahan. Touch of Glory is down on the inside with about 150 meters more to run. We have Barkadahan. Royal Jewels is on the outside. We have Barkadahan followed by Touch of Glory, Royal Jewels, Bayou Data, and finally Barkadahan, Bayou Data, Royal Jewels. Then comes Touch of Glory, Grand Homer for your Fentapecta.